Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to know if your Spectrum modem is outdated. Speed, DOCSIS, and replacement. Your Spectrum modem is likely outdated if it cannot keep up with your planned speeds, shows compatibility issue, or does not support DOCSIS 3.1 for higher speed tiers. A good practical check is to compare your real speed results against your plan. Then confirm your modem model and DOCSIS version. Signs your modem is outdated. Subscribe speed mismatch. First, run a speed test. If your results are significantly lower than your plan limits, your hardware may be a bottleneck. You pay for 100 Mbps or more but consistently see much lower speeds, such as under 50 Mbps. Next, frequent reboots. Constantly power cycling your device indicates failing hardware or an inability to handle modern data loads. Now, physical overheating. Modems that feel too hot to touch often have degraded internal components. Flashing amber/red lights. Persistent warning colors typically mean the hardware is struggling to maintain a stable connection. Now check the DOCSIS version. Data over cable surface interface specification. DOCSIS is the technology standard for cable modems. DOCSIS 3.0 outdated. Maxes out around 1 Gbps download but struggles with network congestion and modern upload speeds. Spectrum actively phases these out. DOCSIS 3.1 current standard supports speed up to 10 Gbps. It handles multi-gig plans and offers better stability. Look at the sticker on the bottom or back of your modem. Look for the text DOCSIS 3.0 or DOCSIS 3.1. If you see a model number, search for it on Spectrum authorized modem list to view its specifications. Third, how to replace it. Free swap. You can exchange an old modem for a new one at any physical Spectrum store. Mail delivery. Contact customer support to request a self-installation replacement kit sent directly to your home. Buying your own. If you prefer retail hardware, select a DOCSIS 3.1 device from the approved list to ensure network compatibility. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.